Welcome to Beyond GPT, exploring quantum language models. In this session, we'll explore how quantum computing may revolutionize natural language processing, pushing beyond what today's classical models like GPT can achieve. In this presentation, we'll explore the core concepts of quantum language models, how they differ from classical models, and why they matter. From qubits and entanglement to real-world challenges and applications, this is a journey into the future of AI. Classical language models like GPT-3 have made incredible progress in NLP. But they operate within the limits of classical computation. Quantum language models, or QLMs, aim to go further by using principles from quantum mechanics. This opens the door to new ways of encoding, processing, and understanding language. What makes QLMs special isn't just performance, it's the paradigm shift. We are not just tweaking existing models. We are redefining how machines might think about language using quantum logic, probability, and structure. This is more than evolution, it's a quantum leap in NLP. Let's unpack the essential building blocks of QLMs. Qubits. Unlike classical bits, qubits can be both 0 and 1, allowing a superposition of multiple meanings or states. Quantum superposition. A qubit exists as a combination of vertical bar 0 and vertical bar 1 described by amplitudes alpha and beta, enabling parallelism in representation. Quantum entanglement. Two qubits can become correlated, even when far apart. This helps capture relationships between words, contexts, and meanings. Quantum gates. These function like logic gates in classical systems, transforming qubits through reversible operations. Quantum measurement. When we observe a qubit, it collapses into a specific state, modeling how meaning can be resolved from ambiguity. Quantum machine learning takes these principles and applies them to AI tasks, including NLP. Quantum models can potentially model dependencies, relationships, and probabilities more efficiently, especially in complex, high-dimensional spaces like language. Research in QLMs is still young but growing fast. Key areas include building efficient quantum algorithms for NLP tasks like classification and translation. Designing quantum circuits to represent sentences and documents. Leveraging entanglement to model deep semantic relationships. Developing quantum-inspired algorithms for use on classical hardware. And benchmarking QLMs against classical models to assess performance and viability. Despite the promise, QLMs face major hurdles. Hardware limitations. Today's quantum computers are small, noisy, and prone to error. Algorithmic complexity. Many useful quantum NLP algorithms are still theoretical. Data encoding. Transforming classical data into quantum states is slow and costly. Scalability. Handling large datasets with quantum systems remains difficult. Theory gaps. We still lack a complete theoretical framework for QLMs in practice. Overcoming these challenges is key to unlocking QLM potential. If we succeed, QLMs could be applied to semantic search with deeper understanding, text classification using quantum parallelism, multilingual translation systems that adapt to low-resource languages, dialogue systems with context-sensitive reasoning, and compressed NLP models for efficient, resource-light AI. These applications could redefine AI's capabilities in language. In summary, quantum language models aren't just faster models. They're smarter by design, leveraging superposition, entanglement, and quantum structure. While challenges remain, the field offers a bold new direction for NLP, one that could unlock capabilities we can't yet fully imagine. We are not just building better models, we are redefining how machines understand meaning itself. Thank you for joining us on this journey beyond GPT into the fascinating world of quantum language models. We've only scratched the surface of what's possible when quantum computing meets AI, but the potential is enormous. As quantum hardware evolves and research deepens, language models may become more context-aware, efficient, and powerful than ever before. Until then, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the future of intelligence. Subscribe to the Concept Bytes for more breakthroughs in AI, language, and cutting-edge tech.